Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to obtain this Maltese umbrella in Heartopia game Maltese event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up the event menu and I'm going to go to the puppy gacha machine. If you want to get the Maltese umbrella, we need to use this gacha machine. And to use it, you need the Maltese gacha coins. And you need to draw. And if you're lucky, you will get this Maltese umbrella or this retriever umbrella or the other items. Or you can also get the Maltese tokens that you can use to buy something from the exchange store. And I've already obtained this Maltese umbrella. And this is the umbrella, guys. If you want to equip the umbrella, you can go to the dress up menu and go to this accessories menu and just click on the Maltese umbrella. Okay guys, and that's how we can obtain the Maltese umbrella in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.